Hello everyone and welcome to streamandtechnow. Thanks so much for visiting. There's nothing like a really good running chase scene in a movie. Well, on today's video, we put together the top 5 chase scenes on foot that you should watch right now. We went through so many movies and these are the top 5. So with everything going on right now and how I know a lot of you are stuck at home, hopefully this will give you something to watch and enjoy. So without further ado, let's go ahead and reveal the best chase scenes on foot in a movie. Coming in at the number 5 spot is Mission Impossible Fallout. Now this of course is the London foot chase, and this is the 6th entry in Tom Cruise's franchise. This is full of shocking twists and lots of Tom Cruise running. Now, if you're a fan of Tom Cruise, as you know, he has so many awesome running scenes in his movies, and this for me is the top one. It was between this one and the Shanghai run in MI3, which comes pretty close, but I think this one is just a bit more intense. This movie is so action-packed. It has one of the very best running chase scenes, and just a bit of trivia on this is during production, Tom Cruise actually overshot one of his jumps and broke his right ankle while he was landing. Now you'll be able to see the running scene at the 1 hour and 32-minute mark. Let me know in the comments which Tom Cruise run scene is your favorite. Coming in at the number 4 spot is this 2010 movie called Taker, starring Hayden Christensen, Chris Brown the singer, Matt Dillon, and Paul Walker. Now Chris Brown plays Jesse Attica, which is the youngest in a crew of bank robbers. So the band of thieves has just days to plan and pull off a multi-million-dollar heist. And this very action-packed with multiple action sequences, Brown is chased throughout the streets of LA by Matt Dillon and his partner. Now this actor leaps through windows, scales buildings, jumps on cars, and anything else necessary to avoid being captured. Now just a bit of trivia, Chris Brown actually did 96% of the stunts in this movie. This scene is so intense and really is so enjoyable to watch, as it captures not only the raw facial expressions on Brown's face, but also showcases some really exciting parkour. You'll be able to view the start of this scene at the 1 hour and 12-minute mark. Coming in at the number 3 spot is a French movie many of you likely haven't heard of before, called District B13, which came out in 2004. This action-packed and sensational chase scene captured in this movie just cannot go unrecognized. It's an amazing display of some incredible and cinematic parkour. In fact, one of the stars in this film is the co-founders of parkour, David Bell. It will literally captivate you as you stare in amazement. It takes place in the 21st century Paris, where a member of an elite police squad must enter a crime-ridden ghetto to defuse a bomb that has fallen into the hands of a powerful hoodlum. The cop joins forces with a civilian, David Bell, who must rescue his sister from the same criminal who holds the bomb. Definitely go and watch this chase scene and let me know in the comments what you think. You can view this at the 8-minute mark. Now we get to the 2 best of the best. Coming in at the number 2 spot is the unforgettable chase scene in Point Break between Keanu Reeves and Patrick Swayze. This is such an organic, raw chase that really captures the intensity and sheer desire for one to capture and the other to get away. This chase scene is almost 4 minutes long, and throughout the entire scene, the camera is constantly moving. You almost feel like you're part of the chase. It's really an amazing scene. This is a must-watch scene, but the movie, if you haven't already seen it, is also a must-watch. This is one of my all-time favorites that I have watched over and over, and whenever it's on, I find myself watching again and again. Let me know in the comments if you were also mad when they decided to remake this in 2015. I don't know what they were thinking, but I wish they would have just left it alone. You can view this chase at the 1 hour and 7-minute mark. And the number one spot so deservingly goes to the unforgettable chase scene in Casino Royale. Now, I'm not a huge James Bond fan, but I will say this was one of my favorites, and this chase scene is like no other. It's without a doubt the absolute best of the best, and once you see it, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. It takes place through a construction site in Madagascar with James Bond pursuing a lethal bomb maker. This chase is jaw-dropping, with much of it being filmed at over 100 feet in the air on cranes and scaffolding. The heart-stopping leap from one crane to another, then onto a roof, was all filmed in one shot. So if you haven't yet seen this, definitely you need to check this one out right away. You can view this scene at the 10-minute, 30-second mark. Alright, so that concludes the top 5 chase scenes. Let us know in the comments what you think. Are there any others that are also deserving to be on this list? Thanks so much for visiting today, and don't forget to check out some of our other top lists that you should watch right now. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time on Stream and Tech Now.